Good morning, and definitely a good morning as the sky has cleared up. Not really any haze in our atmosphere at this general point, but over the next couple of days we could see that filter in the upper atmosphere. Now, it was in the lower atmosphere as that high-pressure system moved through. What a high-pressure system does is it takes air in the upper atmosphere, moves it down to the surface. So if you have smoke that's in the upper atmosphere, that high-pressure system is also going to take that smoke down to the surface, hence why we are seeing a lot of really hazy effects from that. Now, once we are on the western side of that high pressure system, that actually brings in some cleaner air into our general region. So that's why it's going to be clean throughout much of the day. In the late afternoon, we could see a little bit of haze start to form in the upper atmosphere once again, but that's not going to be down near the surface like we had over these past couple of days. All right, looking ahead over the general view right now, we are relatively clear at this point and not really worrying about too much. In fact, the high pressure system really keeping us nice and clear on the horizon. A couple of clouds are banding in on the western side, but those are expected to go well to our south. Low temperatures this morning, very comfortable. In fact, maybe even a touch on the cool side, down into those mid-40s for many of us. And as we start to plan ahead over these next couple of days, what we're going to expect is that the high pressure system moves off to the east. There is a cold front that snakes its way across North Dakota, but for us, we're only expected to see a couple of clouds derived from this, and all in all, we'll be staying dry through the next several days. In fact, the next chance for precipitation is going to be coming in on this next weekend. So localizing this just a little bit, all we're really going to be watching for is clouds to pass through, and these are going to be fair weather clouds. The best chance for a partly cloudy day, Wednesday. Thursday, we'll see that generally clearing out, and Friday as well, generally clearing out. Winds will be coming out of the south, all things to being on the western side of that high pressure system, but those will be sticking around that 5 to 10 mile an hour range, so nothing too out of the ordinary. Today, cooler, 70 degrees is going to be a high temperature, winds of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour, and just a little potential for haze into the course of the afternoon. Now, for tonight, 49 degrees, that's all thanks to relatively clear skies overhead, light winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And over the next 7 days, as we really start to plan ahead, temperatures slowly start to climb back up into those 80s, and by next weekend, we actually are watching for a potential of seeing 90-degree days coming back on the horizon. That is, still several days out, but the indications are there that could help for us to see several days of 90-plus degrees starting on Saturday, actually, if one of the models really holds together with all this. All right, I'm meteorologist Colin Raskovich with Watertown Weather Watch Forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful rest of your day.